They weren't just cars, they were legends on wheels. From roaring muscle cars to sleek exotic machines, the iconic TV vehicles of the 1960s, 70s, and 80s defined an era when the car itself became a character. Every week, millions of viewers tuned in not only for the heroes and villains, but also for the unforgettable machines that stole the spotlight. The futuristic Batmobile, the airborne jumps of the General Lee, KITT's intelligent voice, and Magnum's Ferrari cruising under the Hawaiian sun. These cars weren't just props, they were symbols of freedom, rebellion, power, and pure style. Long before CGI existed, everything you saw was real. Real engines, real stunts, real danger. And that's what made them legendary. Today, we're counting down the 15 greatest TV cars that ruled the golden age of television. Let's begin. Number 15, the 1966 Batmobile, Batman. The 1966 Batmobile is one of the most recognizable vehicles in television history. Custom built by legendary car designer George Barris, the Batmobile originally started as a futuristic concept car called the Lincoln Futura. Barris bought the unused concept for just $1 and transformed it into the iconic Batmobile in only 15 days. Powered by a powerful Ford V8, the car featured incredible gadgets for its time, including a bat phone, bat radar, chain slicer, and even parachutes for emergency bat turns. With its jet-like design, bubble windshield, and bold black and red paint, the Batmobile instantly became a symbol of superhero style. Even today, it remains one of the most famous cars ever built for television. Number 14, the General Lee 1969 Dodge Charger. Few cars in TV history are as famous as the bright orange Dodge Charger, known as the General Lee. Driven in the hit show The Dukes of Hazzard, this muscle car became legendary for its wild jumps and high-speed chases. Powered by a massive V8 engine producing up to 375 horsepower, the General Lee delivered pure American muscle. During filming, more than 300 Dodge Chargers were damaged or destroyed, performing the show's incredible stunts. Its roaring engine, screeching tires, and unforgettable jumps made it one of the most exciting cars ever seen on television. Number 13, KITT, Knight Rider. In the 1980s, television introduced something completely new, a car that could think. KITT, short for Knight Industries 2000, was an artificially intelligent vehicle partnered with crime fighter Michael Knight. Based on a 1982 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am, the sleek black car featured a futuristic red scanner light and a high-tech dashboard. In the show, KITT was nearly indestructible and capable of incredible turbo boost jumps. But what made KITT special wasn't just its technology, it had personality. KITT wasn't just a car, it was a partner. Number 12, Ferrari 308 GTS Magnum PI. The bright red Ferrari driven by Thomas Magnum became one of the most stylish cars of the 1980s. With its sleek Italian design and powerful V8 engine, the Ferrari 308 perfectly matched Magnum's adventurous lifestyle in beautiful Hawaii. Fast, elegant, and unforgettable, it became a symbol of luxury and cool television heroism. Number 11, the A-Team van. The black and gray GMC Vandura van from the A-Team became one of the most recognizable vehicles in action TV. With its bold red stripe, rooftop spoiler, and powerful V8 engine, the van served as the team's mobile headquarters. Inside were communication systems, hidden compartments, and plenty of space for the team's crazy plans. It wasn't just transportation, it was a fortress on wheels. From superheroes to detectives, these legendary vehicles became extensions of the characters who drove them.
They raced across our screens with power, personality, and unforgettable style. Decades later, these iconic machines still live in the hearts of fans around the world. They remind us of a time when television was fueled by real horsepower and real imagination. So tell us,